Hi everybody, this is Dave here again. Now, somebody was saying they had a little bit of a problem with burn back up the tube, which was giving him a little bit of creosote, and probably the reason was that you've made the tube short like I have here, and the reason mine is short is because of the garage door wants to open, but the hopper is 18 inches high, but you need to be that height with a feed tube if you're not using the hopper. So that is 600 millimeters from there to the top, so the feed tube wants to be the same height. That will stop that problem, but also what you need to do, if you want to make it like the original one was that I made, it needs to be like this. Right, so we'll go over it. Oh lovely, that's a nice shadow, doesn't it? Oh dear. Turn it off. Right, that's better. Right, so what you need to do, like that, needs there, across there, down like that. This is the tube, there. So we can see it, right, and then we go, oh, we don't want that bit, and there, across there. So that goes across there. This is the tube the other way, so you can see it. We do away with the gap here. We put the gap up here, up at the top. This is where the gap will be when you do it. So that's still the section there. That's the box section, as you can see. And that is inside, and the reason it's got that angle is so that the pellets will fall over the top of it. Now that gap there wants to be 10 millimeters, which is round about 3/8 of an inch. So that one there wants to be 10 mil, 3/8 in there, and it comes down here, and it wants to be just below that measurement there, wants to be 6 millimeter down. So that's 6 mil there, which is 1/4 of an inch. Right, so there we are. So the basket, when it comes in like that, down there like that, round and up there like that, there, across there. So that is still 20 mil there, which is about 3/4 of an inch. Right, I hope that's cleared it all up for you, and you can see what we've just done. So it's the same, but you've got this gap here which lets the air in, so the air comes in there, down there, down there, down there, and then what it does, it bends round and goes across there. Now I know that works because I've done that in a previous video. If you go back 2 years on the early ones, you will see that. I didn't put that. I had 2 pieces of tube running down inside. I had 2 pieces of box section there and there on the early ones, but that's the better way of doing it, and that will work, and that will solve your problems. This is Dave signing off. We'll catch you on the flip side. Don't forget the bits at the bottom, we need, if you want to, share it, and also thumbs up or thumbs down, or subscribe if you want some more updates, and if we have any more problems later stage, we might be able to solve them. I think that's about all for the moment. This is Dave signing off. Catch you later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.